So, but from the beginning, I advise you to put it, okay, to pin it, not to put it like this, or else you will, how can I say, use too many eyesight, right? So we have the workspace, and then we will use the project setup. Click on the project setup. This time I will ask it to remind me later, okay, because it has a tutorial, okay? And this is a catalog. So this means the first time that you do the quantity takeoff and you do some details, you can export to be your first catalog and develop it. Alright? And this is the standard, I think American standard. It's not the our up to us. Right? So that's means we have to develop. But this time I will use this one first. Okay? I click next. And the unit, you can set to use imperial metric or but actually it should be taken from what the file that you open. Okay? And even inside you also can tweak to change it. Okay? That means for the length, for the width, you can tweak it later. But this time I will leave it like that. Now I'm ready. I have something like this. Nothing inside. Nothing inside. And I have the two more things to show you. That is the item catalog. This is the item catalog and the resources catalog that will come into view. Because for the item catalog, it will rely on the resources catalog. Resources catalog is detailed inside. What it looks like, I will show you in action. For example, at this moment, I will go to, let's say, marshalling, and then I say that I add new item. And I say that this is the 6 inches interior wall. And for the doors, windows, I will say that, okay, I will create a new item. Is the single flush. Oops, sorry. Single flush. Add item is a metal. This is the way that we add the item. Okay. From here, we also can start. No need to go in detail at this moment, okay? But remember, it's still 2D. Okay. So let's say I will go with the wall. From here, it will check the wall for me, and it will enable the way that I can do the quantity takeoff for 2D. So in the normal life, if you working with the drawing, right? You do the markup, you do some of the checking, right? It's the same thing to do it here, but we call it on-screen takeoff. So, for example, if I use this one, I say I can check, use this command. This is a quick line, just click at the line, or I can use the polyline or rectangular. This one, let's say I use polyline. I come to this area, and then I say, okay. From this one, I just click, 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 click or polyline is okay. And you can see what is, it starts to populate the information for me. Okay, so I will click a little bit more, okay, just to have more information to use. Has more information to show you. Okay. And then I go to home, select nothing to do. Alright, so for this one, this will show me 62.5 feet. It's millimeters. It's something like this. If I want to see the wall, it's highlight, but sorry, I forget to set the colors. It's okay, but it will highlight. this data belong to which object, okay? Or I can use the item, and I go to the doors, let's say wood, and I will say that this one I would like to have the pink colors, and I would like to have this size for the, let's say 23. Sorry. But sometimes I don't like to print it because I have to unpin it. Okay, this is 30. Okay, and this is a transparency, and this is the way that we work for the formula. We will talk about it later. Okay, and then once I have this, I can use the count and then start to count. So small. It's okay because I just do it live demo. So you can see that this is the way that we work, but on screen. And the good thing is, if you work it in the right scale, right? So we can on and off. We can check which one we already take off and which one not. Right? And we come to check. See? It will moving to the later on. For example, I have another one. For example, come to Machali again, and then click the new item. I say that this is the Thai area. This is a Thai area. Let's say like this, Thai area. And for the Thai area, I click at the resources for the new resources and say that this is the stone Thai. Now, in detail, we also can apply this with the 3D, okay? Because sometimes in 3D, we don't have just only one layer of wall, right? We will have wall, we will have gypsum board, we will have the colors, painting. We also can apply to extract in more details. Okay, so this one I say stone Thai for 24 inches times 24 inches, sorry, 4 inches, something like this. But I will put something more. I will say that for the count, I will put, sorry, because in typing, for the count, I will put this is the model area, and model area divide 4, let's say, because it is the number of the item, right? And I just want it, I just want it to up 10%. For example, if this room already calculate for 100 piece of Thai, I will add 10% just for safety reason. Right? And for this one, I will say that equal to count. Okay. Alright. A little bit more. Now, I will go to the item, and then for the Thai area, right? I will go to the, let's say, this one, I will use this one for the area. So, can be the polyline or the rectangle. So, I will use the easy one, rectangle. Okay, lovely. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Right? So, I will have the Thai area. This will be 431.88 square feet, and I need to order 118 Thai for this room. And I don't like the resources. Where's the resources? Okay, I don't like the number, so I will change this one. I will pick this one first, and then go this way, go it down, and because of the area, this one I will put. Come on. Sorry with my typing. I will put this one, and I say round. It will be red because I put something that is not okay. Sorry, that's all. I have the problem with my keyboard. Go. Next time I will ask my corporate not to buy this computer. I have the problem with graphic card. Sorry about that. So that's why when I type, it will go out. Time will go out. So you can imagine nowadays because I have no time to reset my computer. So you can imagine nowadays when I type to answer email. Normally I spend 1 minute, right? But nowadays I spend 3 minutes because typing and then click, typing and then click. Okay, that is later on I will try to get rid of this one. But by the way, once I already check it will come 118. Okay, it's round. So this kind of formula, you have already used it in your daily work. You can put it inside and let the computer help you. Now this finish for the PDF. PDF we can do like this. Alright? But what happens if I go furthermore? I'm sorry, I close that one. Let me turn on. Wait a moment. It's okay. Alright, so let's see like this. Now, if I click at the door, from here, I go to the door. Right now, let's say metal. Because metal at this moment, I have nothing, right? Okay. So this one, let's say, is the metal door. I can right click, quantification, take off to the metal. Already come. One. So if I click, right click, take off, do the same thing. Sorry that at this moment we cannot do the multiple check. I'm trying to find a way to use it. Okay, and if I have it, I will put it on the knowledge base. Okay, already done. Now I have the door that already take off. And the good thing is for the WFX, see, I can turn on, turn off to check whether I have already quantified all of the door or not. And if you have a lot of annotation, it's make you trouble to see the drawing. You can use this command, filter. Sorry, not this one. Oh, this one just only the filter here. Oh, not so good lah. This command. Right. It will help you to take get rid of the text of the annotation. So this is the difference between PDF and WFX. Now you can understand, right, that why my customer they thanking me at the end that okay, you introduce me the good stuff, right? And also they can make use of this kind of thing, and especially they can save a lot of money. Okay, all right. So this is the first thing that we start. Next, we will go to the 3D takeoff. It's the same project, but I just go to the add-in, external tool, export as Naviswork. Okay, that is a workflow. And from here, the same thing, project setup. Select the catalog. Okay, this one select the catalog. So Let's leave it like default. So from here, for example, if I go to the, now we will not go to the item because let's say that everything already set. Okay, let's say everything already set, or just even though not setting at all, we can go to the selection tree. There are a couple of ways to do the model takeoff. The first one is, I don't know about the Revit. I'm sorry, I don't know much about the Navisworks. I just know the export and make use of this tree. Okay. In this tree, or maybe this one not nice because maybe I need the color, but it's okay. Because we can take off, we can export architect structure MEP at the same time in the model and take off, or we can take off separately architect structure MEPs individually. Okay, that's for this one. I go to this one, and let's say I will go to the door or windows, and then let's say like this, right? Very easy, just drag and drop. Done. Oh, sorry, I dragged to the wrong one. Sorry, undo. The best thing I can undo. Too fast. Back. So we can select the category first, right? And then we can select. We can right click, do the same thing that I have shown you in 2D, or you can drag and drop. Now once got this, it's already come. Alright. I have two doors for the storefront double. Okay, and how about the curtain single door? Just drag and drop in the same. Can? Okay, now I have three. Where is it? Oh, maybe this side. See, 1, 2. Where is it? 3. Okay, maybe it's alright. Just get right click and okay. We have to take from here. Okay. Once we select, we can right click and hide or hide and select. So we will see the door is here. Okay. So but we have to work from the selection tree. Okay. All right. And this is the way that we can do for the first method. And this is the second method that we can make use of the selection set. Okay, so from the selection tree, very easy. Oh, another way around. From the selection tree, another method. We can select using the properties. It's easy for structure because structure can go to the property and select for the concrete. Concrete lightweight, concrete heavyweight, concrete has increase, blah 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 blah, and you can drag and drop using the quality. It will go to check where is it, findable place, cast in place, right? It will go to check where is it, and then just quantify for you. So let me just check whether I have anything or not for the selection. Let me see. No, right? So let's see. But you can first. Maybe material as material. Sorry, map. Any material? No. So this is not the good sample for the properties. But if you have the good Revit file and with the properties, once you put it in here, you can use property to search and quantify. The next is I will use the file item. This is a very good efficiency way to search for the component. For example, this one I will search using the item, and item I will specify to find some windows, but I don't know what is the Windows name. So I can come, for example, I will quantify for this window. Right? I can go to the property. This is the name 2250 fixed. So I say that I would like to search by name. It has to be equal to 100%, and